Hello, you are welcome. This video is brought to you courtesy BB Clem. BB Clem stands for Bolaji Bankole Cybersecurity Leadership and Mentorship Program. We advocate against financial crimes, promote fraud detection and encourage anti-cybercrime and cybersecurity practices through mentorship and training. Are you intrigued by the world of hacking but unsure about the ethical implications? In this video, we'll explore the exciting and rewarding career of ethical hacking, comparing it to its glamorous portrayal in cinema. In movies, hackers are often depicted as lone wolves, working in dark basements with flashy graphics on their screens. But in reality, ethical hackers work in teams, collaborating to protect organizations from cyber threats. While Hollywood may glamorize hacking as a high-stakes game of cat and mouse, ethical hackers follow strict guidelines and legal boundaries to ensure they're operating ethically and within the law. A day in the life of an ethical hacker involves analyzing vulnerabilities, conducting penetration tests, and devising strategies to strengthen cybersecurity defenses. It's a challenging yet rewarding career that requires a deep understanding of technology and a commitment to ethical practices. So, if you're considering a career in ethical hacking, remember that it's not all like the movies. It's a dynamic and fast-paced field that offers plenty of opportunities for growth and impact. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of cybersecurity.